We're doing Brandon today, probably my favourite mountain of the few I've done so far. Weather looks okay so far. I was chatting to a lady down the car park and she said there'd been hailstone, so it could get interesting. But yeah, we're just going as far as we can go anyway. It's after changing a bit. This is making an appearance now. So we're into the valley here now, and this is where this is fantastic inside here. Obviously it's been clouded over, so not so fantastic at the moment, but yeah, when this passes now, if it passes, I'll be able to show you a bit more. But it's brilliant in here. Now we're at the next section, out the back of the Esk. We've just come up the side of the valley there. It's just fine, it's a bit wet and slippery, but it's okay. And now we have to do the second last segment, what I'd call it, and that's out the Esk. There's a good haul out the back of it, so we'll make a go of it. Up out of it now, that wasn't so bad. It seems to get easier every time. I'm not saying it's easy, but it gets easier every time. So I know usually when you come up here, you get blown away by the views before your final ascent to the top of Brandon. But on today, and this is the view we're greeted with. Hang around for a bit maybe. It's not so bad, it's cold up here. Down there is Dingle, Ballybrack, all those places. You can see the path, start down with the white markers. which I think is the more popular route up. But the way we came is just amazing. I love that valley. It's yeah. So the temperature is 1 degree and wind chill is -5. So I'm not hanging around here. It's a bit fresh. It's just beginning to hail sun. Alright, out of here. So we're out of the valley now. Brandon is still in cloud, so that's good because I don't know how many times it's happened that we get down to the bottom and the peak is clear after being up in cloud. So we'll finish up there. It was, you see the type of day it was. I still enjoyed it. It was a great mountain to come up, especially this way. It's one of my favourites, definitely. I've been up here obviously in good weather as well, and I have a few videos on the channel. I know you might have seen them before, but I will I'll link to them at the end of this. Sure, look at that. We'll finish up. If you've got this far, thanks for watching. You might like and subscribe, and we might see you guys on the next one. Good luck.